Source, observed wind. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for northwestern northern.
Let me just read this alert here.
Northeastern Philadelphia counties. At 3:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Easterville Village, 14 miles northeast of Philadelphia, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Yep. 70?
Impact, minor damage to vehicles.
I didn't hear 70.
Expect considerable tree damage.
Alright, I'm gonna switch over to my Canon camera.
And outbuilding. Locations in F-52, Philadelphia,
Holy
Fayetteville,
cow.
Burlington, Bristol, Hatboro, Jacotown, Beverly, Rockledge, Newtown, Abington, Leghorn, Bremerton, Easterville, Tremors, Willow Grove, Germantown, Northeast Philadelphia, Easterville, Woodside, and Legion, and Leghorn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is no good.
Frequent cloudy ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Freaking cloud.
Indoors immediately.
I'm more concerned about 70-mile-per-hour wind.
If you can hear thunder,
And
you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
I feel like it's 70-mile-per-hour wind. There should be like an enhanced risk, and no, there's a slight risk today.
Do not drive your
No
vehicle
significant
through
damaging wind.